Chief Minister Kaladan project Chungchang Arakan Army nen Mizoram Tunek Tutanen an Imbiati te kha country Kaladan project hi Pelewa Township cross in Siamani Wangin tuna Chin Chin Council nen te Chin Revolution Army dang tenen imbiak tur te sarkar lamin ngai tuana in name
as onang zel hian kan sang menga Kaladan project inti hianin Haider project inti nange ni sami kong pui soine so all right situation nga kong pui ti so Arakan Army te chuan atlang thuai andu thu min frila an mani ngei min frila ni kan lo khia danin contractor ne na trangin poisa te in la chia te in khona kong pui siam hi in lo ti muang changa harsan in lo siam ti hi ka khia danin ni adikem ti ka zota an how to pass one adiklo kong pui hitlang thuai se kan du zokani contractor ho po athayang angin tran pui na kan pe zokani anti vetlat maya chu amuna te adik zok kha kan threlova ti chuan India sarkar po hian ti tlang thuai adua chumia chuan tungna Chin Hills area kan ti mai ba ka hian Arakan Army te thleng po hian ngani inbiak na nei pui hi kaduani keima hian achan chu Arakan Army te ne na kanin mu thiam lo chuan ke ni ai nan chak zok Myanmar boy na hi Mizoram kan nuk lut don ani kan ngam tak don chuang lo an chak lutuk sipain nga lutuk chu wang chuan in do ni lovin kan in thian thazok turani chu wang chuan ta CNA aniemo Chin Brotherhood aniemo Chinland Council aniemo ZRA Western Command Eastern Command aniemo AA aniemo Dai PDF aniemo ay nga po kha kando ay nangani so wang chuanin keimani inti zonga kan kalsuan kha chu Myanmar military junta lom zong takani dona kan tilo angaya Arakan Army te po thiana kan siam adikang so tiani lo chuan long tlai thlengin minon ti boyang khatiang kha kan tana poile turani thil reng hi extreme tangai tu atun lo Mizoram in kumsom ni independent kan suala kan tuar ringot mai ni chu til ti thailo tursi politician ten min kai ruaidan adik lo chuan kumsom ni kan tuarani apoilu tukani chu wang kilai area ki Chinfil kan dua chu ta chuan mo phurna thui tak ka kowa hianin ngatani kami ni wang khan mi zong ati lom thailo tuna unity kan nei na tu len pum khan na tura mission ka thona hian kanun na poina tur theini ti ka hriani ma se kan namkal zel tur hi kan in then turin lo kan in pum khat turani chuan ka chian em wangin heng thil hi kan ti mek ania chu wangin helaya Kaladan project hi chu tuna hian look east ti thin kha act east ti athak ani to keipo ka hanjin to India sarkar tirin MLA pa nga parukvel ruain PSC chairman kanilain keta Bangkok thlengin kan han kala heta longchol na mun turte kan ron ena at Mizoram kan lo hon le nu po kan kal le salaya tiang kanin kan tiama rocu komponser leng mavela abo wangin duangin akal sak theilawa masengin nakum ma te chuanin anzo to mai kan besia khatiani khachuan socio economic impact liam tak kha am dona hemiatanin kan loin bo sai lok potrulani
ole kan lome adang pakhat le chu lai togdania Chin Land Council le Chin Brotherhood te hun khata an thena turin plante inayem kan thathayang em lai tong
kakachu ni china kan kan soi vek to me an boy thang je chu mara kan mara u nau te po athenin Chin Brotherhood an supporta training CNA and supporta mo nam khat pok kan omani soi treu po ngai lo so wang chuanin tunai hian apoi mo chu Chin National Army le Chin Brotherhood le kan ZRA te le ma hlom lian deuh te aizola te po in biak na te mani lok khan nei ani zoro kai ruain thui tak an thleng ri lova ma se tu na chuan in rema trula ni ti hi kan pom vek to ni an ni poin an pom vek to ni chumia tan chuan nang ni helai om te in poi mo em ni helai ko khran te helai NGO te anin nga na in nia an ni ho kha an kap sep ro in ti so an kap sep men so in poi mo em ni mo so wang chuan helai tang hian rem na kan sia mang chu kan ko khran te poi hei man la don alom
ole lom me chimzik te ama yang lo ni CM ni kha chan kan nei kau turuanga adang filter bil chu tanga kan red okay chu tini chuan dang pakhali chu mi zau tong ni ka ral tlan abikin Burma tang ron tlan len ho te okay ting lo ni I camping lai khan hai ID te ti chho dan tur ka siam ngi te khatiang te kha iti lotling iti puitlinem tinani cha ral tan hautan ID
sarkar masa khanin biometric identification kha titurin ma an lo la chuan a line of a nodal officer tur te po an lo thang veka training te an lo pe vek to ni tiang chuan sarkar masa khan ma lo la ma se in than lo nai ta ka khan politically in an chiat puan lo wangin an lo ti top lai lo kani ti top tak tak lovin ti chuan kai ni kan han sarkar ta prime minister te home minister ten biometric identification titurin min ti ni maro chu khalaya an porter man kha pakhat chu criminal tan ania pakhat le chu illegal migrant to be deported tan anitani khaminwaya khan kanral tan te kan displaced people te kan register ngat chuan deport turani criminal angani chu wang chuan prime minister nena khan he porter hi kan mang thailo home ministry in porter from min pirose they are neither criminals nor illegal migrants chu wangin portal from min siam sakula chu ta chuan chin sia chu kan chin chiang biometric po kan ti ve thawang record kan ne ngai lom kan tia chuan tuna hian home ministry in porter from min peto chu min wa ya chuanin na hi kan tran mek ani kha kha chu kan ti lo thailo kan chin sia lo thailowa ran pa ID in pek aom ka thailova tin le khan ji chuan certificate Myanmar mi an ni ti an certificate in lo chuan tir turani min ti boka chu po chu kan ti thailowang UGC in tiro mintia ni lo chuan state sarkar in chutiang mi certificate ti dang lamna thunei na kan nei lo certificate a reng nationality le khatiang injek ngai lo India rama hei chu TRM lo kan tia angoi ta engma minti zui ta lo tu na hianin chu kan din mun chu ani mai amaro chu kami in register kar ero chu angai ve ni an in register a ti chuan changin an punga changin an tlem le ti khan adik taka nei khasu a harviawa changin pasalan lo ne anu puitan lo ne ti khan kan mak pa ten lo ne kan monu te lo ni zela ko thana te wai me ate a member tangkai ten on ni so zela hei tun na MCS exam ate po anon ti thae me am hlomani tiang chu ania chu wang chuan in thliar tak tak hi chu a thei vek lowa a thei chin chin nei ro chuan India sarkar du da nang hi kan zom ve zel ni
lo me hei pani te tanga kan han zo lo lo nge ku chiak eng lo khop maya okay you have mentioned we the Chin Zo Kuki Mizo can come together under India how you can bring peace among Hizu in Ang Thau Chin Land Council and Chin Brotherhood in Manipur. We know that Bangladesh political change lately, how we form a united Chin Land Zoram after we've been through all these years under 3 countries.
It's just like a two-way traffic. As far as we are concerned, we shall never ever accept the division of our people into 3 countries. This will never be acceptable. And the boundaries are imposed boundaries by the British government. In that committee, we are never represented. We are never consulted. Therefore, it is an imposed boundary. We'll never accept it. We'll never accept construction of boundary fencing in between us. It all depends whether we are prepared, whether we are willing to be under a single administrative unit within India. That will be decided by you. This is one part. So far as Zoro was concerned, the main policy of Zoro was to have reunification within India. We cannot fight Myanmar, we cannot fight India, we cannot fight Bangladesh simultaneously at the same time. We cannot we do not afford to have 3 enemies which are bigger than us. So that is one thing we have to do on our part. The second thing is, what is the opinion of India? For that I am nobody to, to say, to make any statement on behalf of the government of India. But there are things, if you accept me, I accept you. If you don't accept me, I don't accept you. That is diplomacy. So it all depends on us. The reason why I have come here to talk about unity within India means something. I won't talk much beyond that. So keep guessing. Keep guessing what the next is.
Thank you very much. This will be our last question. Due to limited time we have, we apologize if we don't read out your question. Thank you for your patience and thank you for your understanding. So the last question would be, According to the Chin Voice, from January to June this year, within 6 months, Mizoram government arrested a drug worth of 67 billion India money. That drug were brought by AA. What was said by some insiders? This was said by some insider that is very reasonable. Do you think that is because of AA? Drug.
I talk about this issue with the AA leaders at my own residence. They strongly denied about having any connection with this drug trafficking. And they promise to help in curbing and protecting and, reducing the supply. So that is, so far, that is what I can say about the AA. But it is well known, it is a fact that drug is coming from the other side of the boundary. And this new government, we have intensified our actions against this drug trafficking, and the seizure also has become much more. That is why, because we are proactive now. And we'll continue to be very, very proactive in this regard. And we are going to amend some of our laws also, so that, some volunteers, the NGOs are also given some authority, some protection, some legal protection. Otherwise, it is difficult for them. When court decides something about them, they themselves, who are good citizens, who are the prominent citizens, has to go to the jail. That is how bad is our present law is. Therefore, we are trying to amend some of the provisions of the existing action laws, thereby enhancing the power of the NGOs, who are our main organ in combating this manage.
Okay. Thank you very much. We're not quite done yet. Please still be seated. Let us give our chief guest another round of applause for this.